Hey yo, it's John the Baptist. I got another song. Not mine, but I just want y'all to hear this. This is Bomshot and Holocaust. Bomshot from Devil Rejects and Holocaust from Wu-Tang. They made a collabo album and shit. It's called War Ghost. Alright, this song's called Sound of Mystery. Shit wild, man. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Make sure this shit's loud. I'm gonna put my speaker in and shit. Hold up, man. Alright, hold up. This song raw. Y'all gotta hear this shit. The dagger in the cloak. That's that Holocaust and shit. Alright. I almost got this shit. Alright, here we go. It's a mystery of sound. Alright, Bomshot and Holocaust. Check this shit out. Shit.
Back from the dead, I was born on a planet with no atmosphere. Giving pap smears, all I do is rap and swear. Time I labeled on the rough and fucking choked his ass. Chewing 40 bottles up, I swallow broken glass. Back home from jail, they should have buried me there, or given me the electric chair, not that anybody would care. The first thing that I did was cop the gun and the knife. So you faggot motherfuckers better run for your life. The second thing I did was pop the fifth for gin, to seal the deal with the devil, forever live in sin. Called my parole officer and told him suck my dick. Sniffed the 8-ball to the face and then I fucked my bitch. Pull my box cutter out and make you spill your guts. Use my psychic powers on you just to kill you fucks. When I'm making my salad, I use a Glock for my suture. So if you come between me and Allah, then I'ma shoot ya. Nothing could satisfy my appetite for destruction. These rhymes are the key to the afterlife with instructions. My blade decorates stab wounds to your flesh. Got your death certificate tattooed to my chest. So come on, motherfuckers, bring your ass to the stab. That's got a bullet with your name on it, plus your address. When I was young, I used to pick my scabs and need them, and if there was pets in the house, I'd look for them and beat them. But now I'm all grown up, and the streets is mad at me, cause I praise Bin Laden and practice bestiality. But when I see you motherfuckers, only worship my balls, cause when it comes to spitting rhymes, I'ma torture you all. And when it comes to busting guns, I'll leave you dead in the ditch. Don't make me pistol whip a bitch and then your head will get split. So pay me respect, dogs. I'm the best with this mic, or I'ma have to leave you scarred for the rest of your life.
And heroes from Dinshin coming into the coast. Seaport TV within to know. Seagulls, a seamstress, seafood, a ghost. Hindu music, vinegar cup, what boast. The war had gone on between kingdoms. The Bible guides explosives whipped through 8 boats. How can I, like Fabian Cousteau? Me and Kong from Kings and the Lamb is shown. How definitive an elephant gun is blown. Winter thrust, a javelin hits your throne. The future Buddhists have all gathered to hear your moan. Morning hunt down your tombstone and stomp your bones. That is cold word. A mountain home. Now the mountain has found a way to kill your tone. The prophecy like the billiard's bloodstone. These zombies smoking by pregnant women all alone. A shot was fired by the capital of Navarone. The ancient spirits and the cave's grace microphone. The stereophonic sound, what poem? The abomination of Moab. The owl that Christ has flown. The malt of the earth is the Lord's volcano foams. An arrow then split by an axe to Pueblos. How does a museum still roam? How does a man dream for throne? Inside the house there are ladies with a comb. Inside the world is revealed a scope. Inside the ocean is the wandering antelope. What use have you of Hartford and Croak? Some kind of visual ghost, breathtaking what is found inside a road. A balloon explodes, the mountain journey most. The jackdaw and the man in the snow. Search the wire before George Lowe. Your preference is a dagger and a cloak. The clock of the Notre Dame Hope. The soul bespoke in the court 50-foot long throat. Portugal near Cape St. Vincent and their established resistance. Weather reports was the first to use telegraph to transmit. Jack is deadly, press the Chevy Rice-headed weapon house. Robotech goes, still lit, humorless trucks attack a diner post.
Mystery of sound. Bomshot, Holocaust. Kind of got like a, I want to say like a, picture of revival kind